2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Honda CB500F. In the vast landscape of motorcycles designed for beginners, the 2024 Honda CB500F stands out as a versatile and approachable option, offering novice riders a harmonious blend of performance, agility, and the renowned Honda engineering excellence. Recognized as one of the best motorcycles for beginners, the CB500F seamlessly combines Honda's commitment to rider-friendly design with a sleek and minimalist aesthetic that caters to riders seeking a stylish and practical entry into motorcycling. In 2024, the CB500F continues to captivate riders globally, serving as a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of riding. 1. Contemporary and minimalist design. The Honda CB500F boasts a contemporary and minimalist design, setting it apart as a visually appealing and stylish option for beginner riders. With its sleek lines, compact proportions, and an exposed trellis frame, the CB500F exudes a sense of modernity and simplicity. Honda's commitment to a design that combines form and function ensures that the CB500F not only delivers a visually striking riding experience but also stands as a symbol of the brand's dedication to accessible and enjoyable motorcycling. 2. Efficient parallel twin engine for versatile performance. At the heart of the CB500F lies an efficient 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and versatile performance. Honda's engine design focuses on providing a smooth and manageable power delivery, making it an ideal choice for novice riders seeking a bike that can handle various riding scenarios. The CB500F's engine offers sufficient power for daily commuting, weekend rides, and the excitement of exploring different riding environments, providing a versatile platform for riders to embrace the joy of motorcycling. 3. Nimble handling and user-friendly ergonomics. Designed for nimble handling, the Honda CB500F features a chassis that strikes a balance between stability and agility. The bike's balanced geometry, upright riding position, and user-friendly ergonomics make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through city streets, master low-speed maneuvers, and experience the thrill of motorcycling. The CB500F's nimble nature enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and savor the joy of precision riding. 4. Comfortable seating and versatile riding position. Crafted for comfortable riding, the CB500F features a well-padded and supportive seat, providing a comfortable platform for both short commutes and extended journeys. The motorcycle's versatile riding position, mid-mounted foot controls, and relaxed ergonomics ensure riders can enjoy a comfortable and fatigue-free riding experience. Honda's commitment to rider comfort makes the CB500F not only a stylish option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for riders looking to explore the world of motorcycling with ease. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 CB500F seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. These include an LCD instrument cluster, advanced braking systems, and Honda's engineering excellence, adding essential functionality to the minimalist package. Honda ensures that the CB500F remains a technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of contemporary design with essential modern features. Conclusion. The 2024 Honda CB500F stands as a global icon of entry-level motorcycling brilliance, securing its position as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. Its contemporary and minimalist design, efficient parallel twin engine, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of motorcycling with a desire for style